Hey, as you can see from the title, this is a stupidly simple install. Well, I'm thinking it's going to be. I have a license plate bracket because right now I have my license plate on my windshield like a ghetto faggot. I'm just kidding. It was fine. My brother got a ticket for his being right there, so I'm just gonna keep it safe and avoid getting a ticket. So I have this Grimspeed license plate bracket. Let me open that up for you real quick, bitch. Like the YouTubers, see how hard it actually is to do this and record at the same time. Ugh, not that bad. I don't know. What? Why is this shit so hard to open? There's the bracket. Nice. Some gay shit. Something important probably in here. Yeah, I need a better angle. Juan, where are you when I need you to record for me? Fuck. What the fuck is in here, man? Wow, there's nothing in there. What a tease. Damn it. FT86 factory always sends you that shit. Got some hardware. Got this dildo. Got another useless 3%. I got this bullshit. What else? Ooh, a sticker. And then a sticker. It says Grimspeed on it. Well, look, just made a freaking mess. I doubt there's instructions because it looks pretty simple. Yeah, let's install this hoe. Maybe I should turn the car off. So take that shit off. There's that hole in there. There we go. Come on. This is getting tight. Yeah. Come on. Tighter. Fucking tighter. Fuck. Here we go. So, need an Allen wrench. Garage pussy. Oh, look. Hey, this might be just what I need. Come on. Here's what I have so far. It's kind of tight on there. I'm a bad feeling about it, but I don't really give a fuck, so I'm just kidding. But yeah, there's a spacer right there. Everything's tightened down. So pretty much all you need is an Allen wrench and the socket. But now I'm gonna put that thing on. Oh shit, that looks damaged. God dang it. What the fuck? Oh well. Fuck it. Motto I live by. So yeah, subscribe. More videos on the way. Hope I was helpful, kind of. Yeah. See ya.